News just coming in, the BCCI is all set for a battle within as it votes for its next president. A two-horse race is expected, but Sharad Pawar has already emerged as the front-runner for the post after holding key meetings with his close aides in Nagpur on Monday. Sources have told Times Now that the former president is interested to put his candidature in for the post of the BCCI chief and has asked his camp to garner votes in case of an election. We've got Harini with us in the news pit now, and this entire process, Harini, has to be done within a fortnight because that's what Anurag Thakur is supposed to do for the selection of the next BCCI president. How soon are we likely to see that meeting being convened, and what's going to be the procedure like?
Well, what we do understand is that as per the BCCI constitution, it is within 15 days that the BCCI secretary has to call for a special general meeting, but essentially even as the secretary is yet to call for an SGM to appoint who will take over from Jagmohan after the demise of Jagmohan Dalmia. The power equations within the BCCI have, of course, jockeying between all the associations has begun. Sharad Pawar and Rajesh Shukla are the two names that are coming at the fourth. What we're given to understand is that Sharad Pawar met up with his loyalist soon after most of the members returned back from Kolkata after paying their tribute to late BCCI President Jagmohan Dalmia. In fact, during that meeting, Sharad Pawar made it very clear that he is keen to contest the elections. The first name that came forth between that group was Shashank Manohar. However, Sharad Pawar eventually agreeing to contest the elections, but he has, of course, told his loyalists to garner support, and that was one of the key reasons that Sharad Pawar decided to attend the last BCCI working committee meeting, just to check on how much support and how many members are there to willing to sort of give him that nomination and the proposal that is required from the East Zone.
All right. For now, Harini, thanks very much for that quick update.